It's quite strange. I have been doing this kind of pitching for quite some time, but again, I felt something is happening here, measured my heart rate, and it's 140. So I thought I'm used to that, but probably I never get used to that. So I'm going to give you a little progress update about the company called Roofit.solar, where I am the CEO and one of the co-founders. And basically, the story on its own it's pretty simple, actually. We all know that the climate is overheating, and I think there is a very clear consensus that solar will be one of the solutions for the climate change. And we don't think all the roofs should look like this. At least we didn't like it. So that's why we had to invent the suitable solar panel ourselves. And what came out from that invention is actually a building integrated solar panel. So we took the very conventional and most reliable type of roofing, which is a metal roof, and we built the solar layer on top of that. And what it makes? It makes solar noise. This is one roof that we have in Denmark. This is, I can read from Estonia. And what is actually the most interesting part for us is that our modules can be fitted also to the historical buildings, to the buildings which are somehow protected. And in many cases, regular panels are just not allowed to these kind of buildings. Our modules are. We can claim also that our modules have a lower carbon footprint than regular solar panels. And this is because we use less materials and also less labor for installing this two-in-one product. But the most important, I think, is that this solution is scalable. So we are going to the market, to the roofing companies, and we have developed tools for these companies to make selling this type of BIPV roofs or solar roofs easy. And so we provide basically a nice package to them, hardware and software package. But that's not all. We are now also piloting a tool which allows the end customer or the homeowner to manage and get the maximum out from their system, to balance, to manage the power loads between the solar, battery, home battery, EV charger, and to link it basically with the power price on the market. So you can see that we have built quite a lot of roofs in quite a number of countries already, and really we get inquiries. I think we have got inquiries from more than 70 countries already. Where we are active, mostly in Estonia, Sweden, and Germany, where we have our own offices, but we have distribution partners in more than 20 countries actually now. But what is the most interesting part at the moment for us is that suddenly really the key market players in the roofing industry, the large roof manufacturing companies, have understood that, oh, solar will be mandatory in 2029. We somehow need to be in this business. And so we are currently in negotiations with 4 large roofing companies to whom we actually make it easy to go solar. And when we really speak about how we can scale, we started as a B2C company, just going to the customer, installing the roofs. Now we are mostly selling through the B2B2C channel, but really where we could scale is through these large roofing companies who have their networks and installation partners already established. And our value proposition for them, I think, is pretty cool. Hardware and software package to go easy and quickly to solar business. We have been growing quite rapidly, and I cannot tell that it has been easy, but we are doing well. And even though we just 2 months ago, we closed our 6.5 million financing round, the global warming is not waiting. And so that's why we are looking for additional funding already now in order to scale even faster. And our team is super committed, and I will be here to talk to you to build a cooler planet together. Thank you very much.